How to set a time duration to wait before it automatically sends incoming calls to voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, we tap on the More button at the top, and then we tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on Direct Voicemail. Now scroll down and tap on Auto Send to Voicemail. Tap on the left-hand side panel here. Now make sure you tap on the toggle button to enable this feature. Then we go down and we can set it 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, after 20 seconds, or a custom time. In custom times, you can choose up to 20 seconds. So that is the highest that you can set. Then tap on Done, and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.